Welcome to One Chemistry. This is 365 Chemistry series. Daily one question for you. Here you have the compound with many hydrogen atom. The carbon attached with ether one side, alkyne one side and hydrogen. The ether hydrogen is P, alkyne hydrogen is H and alkyne hydrogen is R. You have to arrange these three compounds by its NMR values. Here the arranging NMR value is easy if you know the basic concept. This is electronegative atom desealed and create the high chemical shift. Here oxygen is electronegative and hybridization sp also electronegative because of more s character. But the effect of electronegativity is greater than hybridization. So what really happened? Q hydrogen which is attached with both oxygen and alkyne. So it is a higher chemical shift. Then comes P because of oxygen electronegativity. Then comes R because it is the sp hybridized carbon. So the order will be QPR. Here the concept you have to learn here is effect of electronegativity is greater than hybridization. The compounds attached with more electronegative atom will have more chemical shift. That's all from this video. Thanks for watching.